everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I will be creating a clean girl makeup look which is trending these days, and it looks kind of cute on your face. It will be a long lasting makeup and it looks great during summers because though we use a lot of products on our face, it looks very minimal, and also it feels very much lightweight during summers. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So I'll start by icing my face using an ice cube. It controls the pores, makes your base look flawless. If you have acne, it will calm and soothe them as well. So next I will use a toner. This is from Good Vibes, the green tea toner. Toner will hydrate your skin and helps in product absorption. Note, ice also works as a toner. If you want to skip this product, then you definitely can. Next comes your moisturizer. Here I am using the green tea moisturizer from Plum Goodness. It is a note to all the people who have oily skin. Try to use gel based and non-sticky moisturizer. This helps your foundation to glide over your face properly. So the most important product here is your sunblock during summers. So I am using the Dermdoc sun protection gel cream with SPF 50 PA+++. It is a very good sunscreen which is for all skin types. Please, it's a request from my side, do not skip your sunblock. If your moisturizer or foundation have sun protection, then you can definitely skip one. So next comes your primer. Since all the products that you have used earlier will make your skin look a little bit oily and sticky, primer will mattify the look. The primer which I am using here is from Inside Cosmetics. I will start with my base using the Maybelline Matte+Poreless foundation with SPF 22. It is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. This foundation is formulated with clay that helps to control the sebum production on your face. Here I am using a very little amount because I don't want this look to be heavy. Now I will conceal my face using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 03. So I'm gonna just put it on the areas where I require it the most, like on my pimples and dark spots, and especially on under my eyes. For contouring my face, I will use the NY contour stick in the shade Roaming in Roosevelt Toast. I will use a very little amount on my face because obviously this is not a very heavy look, so I just don't want my face to look that sharp right now. Now I will spray some setting spray to melt all the products so that it blends well and looks like a single layer on my face. So here I am using the Blue Heavens setting spray. So I am blending all the product using the same beauty blender that I used for the other products. So to get that glossy look, I will use a tinted lip balm as a blush. For that, I am using the Lakme Lip Love Berry Mint. I am in love with this trick. It looks so natural and makes makes you glow from within. So do try it out. For highlighter, I am using the NY Base Shine and Shimmer highlighter. The links to all the products will be provided on my description box. This highlighter has a rose gold tone. This is one of my favorite highlighters. If you want to skip a highlighter, you definitely can, because if you use a lip balm, it already has a glow to it, so you can definitely skip a highlighter. Now I will do my brows using the Swiss Beauty brow palette. First I will set my brows using the wax, because due to all those sweating आपका brow shape खराब हो सकता है. Then I will fix it up using this darker shade that I have in this palette itself. The shade number for this palette is 02. I will set up my face using the Stay Quirky setting powder only in those areas which I feel will sweat a lot or will become oily. It is in the shade Get Down and Dirty 6. I am using a very small brush because I don't want to lose all the gloss I have on my face. For my eyes, first I will use a transition shade for my crease from the NY Bay I Love Eyeshadow palette. It is in the shade Midnight Magic 01. Now I will use the Makeup Revolution palette Velvet Rose and make a wing using this dark brown shade. So here I am using a flat brush. Again I will blend the edges using a blending brush. So here I will skip an eyeliner. Now I will highlight my inner corners using the same highlighter from NYB. A little bit on my brow bone as well. I will finish up this eye look using the 7 Seas Mascara 2-in-1 eyeliner, which is waterproof and smudge proof. I suggest that when you are doing makeup for summers, you must use an mascara which is waterproof and smudge proof. I got this mascara in a PR and I quite love it. Just see the volume and length it adds to your lashes. For my lips, first I will be using the Faces Canada Comfy Matte Lip Color in the shade 08 for the win. Now I will top it with lip gloss from RENEE in the shade Pakoda Peach. So here is my final look. So this was the video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel or seeing this face for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I come up with new videos. And also you can comment down below what kind of makeup look do you want to see next. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.